Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you are unable to change the static IP address as well as the DNS server on your Windows computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I would recommend doing here, guys, would be to open up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should go back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to go type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Once you have it as it appears on my screen here, go ahead and hit enter. Should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next command I want you guys to type in is netsh space winsock space reset. So go again, netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this. It should say you must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Go ahead and close out of here, and let's go ahead and also restart our device while we're at it. Okay, there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that, and then hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.